everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. The only shop in Asansol, which is famous for its uniqueness. This shop is 100 years old. They have some unique products. They have the variety of khakra, which you don't find in Asansol. They have delicious product. The address of opposite SBI Bank, Simran Roy Road, Asansol. The pin code is 713301. And you have also call on the number 0341 2305 and another mobile number is 9547356154. And they have the unique tasty products meethi khakra, masala khakra, sadda khakra, Manchurian khakra, cheese khakra, Maggi khakra, chaat masala khakra, mithia khakra, banana chips, banana stick, roasted peanuts, soya. West Bengal Adivasi Adhikar Manch, Hirapur Zonal Committee organized a blood donation camp at Rangapara Santal Chirag Mandwa Welfare Club on the occasion of the 145th birth anniversary of freedom fighter Birsa Munda. District members including Hadsa, Arjun Hadsa, Baisi Mandi, Democratic Movement leader Parth Sen Gupta, former youth leader Ayushman Mukherjee, youth leader Navadeep Manjil, Santal Chiragal Mandwa Welfare Club President Badhyanath Murmur and other members of club were present. Hirapur Zonal Committee President Gandhi Organization. A brief speech on blood donation was given by Parabir Dhar, a prominent personality of the blood donation movement. Blood was collected on behalf of Asansol District Hospital. Purulia 15 November Birsa Munda, the heroic might of the tribal sect, has a special role in the history of Purulia. So on Sunday 15 November, in honor of the 146th birth of Veer Sahid Birsa Munda, Purulia district, the lever and resident of Bandhoyan Legislative Assembly, Bandhoyan MLA Rajiv Lochan Soren gifted the bust of Birsa Munda. According to the information, the bust statue Sahid Birsa Munda and Banodyan bus stand of Banodyan police station was jointly inaugurated by Banodyan MLA Rajiv Lochan Soren. Purulia District Council Assembly Sujay Banerjee, Education Commission Guru Pandu Tudu. On this occasion, Speaker Sujay Banerjee said that freedom fighter Birsa Munda hold a separate place in the heart of the people of Purulia. Those who do not know about Birsa Munda by looking the idol will wish to know about this terrible mighty in history. Bardhaman, the Bardhaman court has issued a warrant of arrest against BJP state president and Medinipur MP Dilip Ghosh. About a year ago, Dilip Ghosh was accused of making objectionable and inflammatory remark about the police. An arrest warrant has been issued by the court against him under the same charge. Asansol Municipal Corporation Administrator Board Chairperson Jitendra Tiwari inspected Tapsi Baba Chhat Ghat at Rail Zone and Prabhu Chhat Ghat at Kalla. He said that the facilities provided by the municipal corporation are provided here every year during Chhat. He is working to provide all whatever the police here asked for. All that is being one. According to Wasim Khan, Asansol, the new guest park was inaugurated by Kali Mandir Committee in Dipupada, Palas Bagan area under Asansol Uttar Police Station. Chief guest Labour and Law Justice Minister Malay Ghatak by cutting lace and lighting the lamp on this occasion. Minister Malay Ghatak said that there was no system for children to play in the area. Asansol, a number of shops, including 10 huts, were inaugurated in a devastating fire on Saturday night. Malay Ghatak, the state law minister, visited the area today and stood by the families affected by fire. Yesterday, Tapsi Baba Ashram. Asansol senior teacher and journalist Bhola Priyadarshi passed away. He was around 86 years old. Senior journalists have expressed grief over his death. It is said that he did journalism in Silpanchal for years with this Saint Joseph, also vice principal of the school. Soumitra Chatterjee, a versatile actor and film personality, has passed away in Purulia. He has been undergoing treatment at a non-government medical center in Kolkata for 81 days.
সৌমিত্র চট্টোপাধ্যায়, ওনার বিষয়ে বলবার ব্যাপারে আমরা সত্যিই খুব নগণ্য মানুষ। উনি হচ্ছেন বাংলা চলচ্চিত্র জগতের কিংবদন্তি মানুষ। অনেক সুন্দর সুন্দর চলচ্চিত্র ওনার থেকে আমরা উপহার পেয়েছি। আবৃত্তিকার হিসাবে উনি বিশালভাবে ফেমাস। আজকে এখানে এসে আমি জানতে পারছি যে উনি মারা গিয়েছেন। অসম্ভব শ্রদ্ধা ওনার প্রতি রয়েছে আমাদের সবার, মানে বাংলার প্রতিটি মানুষেরই আমার মনে হয় অপরিসীম শ্রদ্ধা রয়েছে ওনার। খুবই খারাপ লাগছে এখানে শুনে। আমরা এখানে বেড়াতে এসেছি, দুদিনের ট্রিপে এসেছি, এসে শুনতে পাচ্ছি যে উনি গত হয়েছেন। তা সত্যি খুব খারাপ লাগছে। ওনার প্রতি শ্রদ্ধা এবং ভালোবাসা, এবং সত্যি খুব বড় একজন মানুষকে আমরা হারালাম।
আপনার নাম স্যার?
আমার নাম অরিন্দম ঘোষ। আমি থাকি কলকাতার কাছে নিউ টাউনে। আমরা 3টে পরিবার এসেছি এখানে। তার মধ্যে 2টি পরিবার আছে যারা খর্দা থেকে এসেছে, আর আমি থাকি নিউ টাউন।
ধন্যবাদ।
Marriage, also called minority or wedlock, is a culture recognized union between people called spouse that establish right and obligation between them as well as between them and their children and between them and their in-laws. The definition of marriage varies around the world, not only between culture and between religion, but also throughout the history of any given culture and religion. Over time, it has expanded and also constituted in terms of who and what is in it is an institute in which the interpersonal relationship, usually sexual, are acknowledged or censored. In some culture, marriage is recommended or considered to be compulsory before pursuing any sexual activities. When defined broadly, marriage is considered as culture universal. A marriage ceremony is called a wedding. Individual may marry for several reasons, including legal, social, libel, emotional, financial, spiritual, and religious. Per whom they marry may be influenced by the gender, social determined rules of incest, precept, and marriage rules, choice, and individual desire. In some areas of the world, arranged marriage, child marriage, polygamy, and something forced marriage may be participated as a culture tradition. Conversely, such a practice may be outlawed and prescribed in the part world out of concern regarding the infringement of women's rights or children's rights, both female and male, or as a result of international law around the world. Primarily in developed democracies, there has been a general trend towards ensuring equal right for Peter Billard. The beginning of wisdom is found in doubting. By doubting, we come to the question, and by seeking, we may come upon the truth.